As China optimized its COVID-19 response measures, international students are flocking back to China to restart campus life and embrace the upcoming semester. A Spanish student in South China University of Technology in Guangzhou shares her excitement of coming back to study and willingness to find jobs in China in the future.
Being back on campus feels great. I came to China in 2019, and after studying here for one semester, I went back home for the winter holiday. After that, I studied online for almost 3 years. So being back on campus is definitely a great feeling. Now I have the opportunity to talk face-to-face with my classmates and teachers, so I'm really happy and really look forward to participating in the great activities arranged by university. During my time studying abroad in China, I have gained a lot of worthwhile insights and lessons both in my academic and personal life. Having the opportunity to meet so many outstanding teachers and classmates will always be a deeply cherished memory. I find the accomplishments and opportunities in Chinese society highly inspiring. I am determined to work either for a Chinese company or for an international organization with connections to China.
International students from Shanxi Medical University in Taiyuan, capital of North China's Shanxi province, also share their feelings.
I came back on the 5th of February. As soon as I came back, I dropped my bags and I just went to downtown Taiwan.
Well, I went to the Chonglo Street and it felt like I've never left China. It was just as lively and just as beautiful as it was 3 years ago. It felt amazing. And there have been a few changes, but for the good. They've made renovations to the streets, so it looks even beautiful than before. And they've also added a metro line, so it is so much more convenient to travel. I took that and it was amazing. It was smooth and efficient as well. We're doing our clinical subjects, so that involves surgery, pediatrics, so there's a lot of course to cover. That is really hard. But I'm planning on learning as much as I can this year academically and the next one, so that I could have a smooth and easy-going internship here in China.
This was our first physical class after being online studying for 3 years. We gained a lot of new knowledge. We have understand that how are the measures and the minor problems that the patients are facing. We have a total of 9 subjects. We have to give ourselves time to understand them, and after the semesters we are going to do internship in China. Hopefully in 2024 we may graduate.
Data from China's Ministry of Education showed nearly 500,000 foreign students from 196 countries and regions studied in China in 2018.